Jeff, here's a great question that was emailed into us. We've gotten a lot of people asking, why should they consider buying from Golden Eagle as opposed to somebody else?
Yep. Very good question. We go to the log home shows, and a lot of you people have been to them. There are a lot of companies across the United States. I would first start out with, how would you like to work with a company that is 3-generation family owned, been together for 54 years, and will be here for you before, during, and after that sale? Probably the gem of Golden Eagle, what we have, is our complete package. There is not another company in the United States or Canada that offers all of the products that we offer to come together for a complete package. We have a showroom here that is just under 9,000 square feet that you can walk through and pick out every component you need. You can pick out your cabinets and move it around and say, I like this color stone to go with my cabinets, and I like this stain and this faucet. And we have good quality things. We have, for example, Kohler, Delta, Moen. We have Tamco shingles, Pella windows and patio doors. We have a beautiful model home here, and that is open for viewing 6 days a week with our showroom open, and we would love to give you a tour. We do not outsource our products. We handle all of them here. We were talking about the kiln before. We can take you and show you the kiln. Jan was saying we do all of our logs here. We can show you all of our machinery that profiles our logs. So we're not just if you want to say a cookie cutter company. We work with every plan that is sent in, and we try to treat every plan, or we do treat every plan as if it's custom. So I could go on and on with answers.
I know, even just as you were speaking, I'm thinking to myself, how do you keep this answer short?
Yeah.